Hi everybody, I'm Basso Contour. There's got to be a better way to clean out rain gutters. In this video, we check out an inexpensive alternative. Stay tuned, let's see how it works. Well, the product I'm using here has got a simple name. It's made by Gutter Sense, and it's simply called the Gutter Cleaning Tool. And what it is, it's like these little cloppers that go together when you pull this cord. You attach a long pole to the device. I purchased separately an 8-foot pole and screwed it in like you see right here. Once you've got it in there, you are ready to go. When you use it up on the rain gutters, this is what's happening. You pull the string and they just pull together like two hands clapping. Now, I'm embarrassed to admit that these rain gutters have not been cleaned in over 20 years. And guess what? They're like a bunch of dirt and compost jammed in your rain gutter. So it's sort of an unfair test for this device, but I gave it a try anyway. Now, the device is not really designed to pull out jammed-in dirt. However, it still worked pretty good anyway. As you can see here, I had to struggle a little to get out this 20-year-old dirt, but guess what? It worked. So overall, I thought this product worked very well. Just don't turn your rain gutters into a compost pile. In Dublin, California, I'm Basso Contour. Thanks for watching, everybody.